What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So just taking a look at Verasity here, as we can see, obviously got our really nice breakout of our descending wedge. We had that ABC correction that we saw basically throughout September for pretty much all cryptos. Lots of FUD, lots of nonsense in the market, all kinds of China, useless idiocy that we often see. Obviously got the ABC correction followed by that one more minor extension to the downside where we swept the lows again. We double bottom out just like we did for 90% of cryptos. We get the breakout here. We reclaim our EMAs looking really bullish. We come back down after pumping all the way up to around 4.6 cents. We come down and we sweep that low again at around that 4-cent support. Coming back down and basically retesting that swing higher support, looking really good. And then it looks as though Verasity has basically ran all the way up to around 5 cents again. And it's currently getting a bit of a rejection, which is really good. We've touched this high here and we've come back down, basically looking for a bit of a recoil for support. But I mean, you can see this cup and handle. This cup and handle is looking very likely to play out now, isn't it? We've come back up to that 5-cent level. All that's left to do is break it, hit that all-time high of 5 cents, maybe get rejected, a little bit of a retracement, break it, retest it as support. I mean, if we do this in the next few weeks, we're probably going to be looking at Verasity having an absolutely crazy explosion to the upside. Obviously, our macro trend line here getting respected, absolutely. We've put in a bit of a trend line here, you could say, with a few touch points now. You can see basically Verasity looking really bullish. Coiling up from what looks like a really great move. You can see here on our fib retracement tool, ABC correction with the W double bottom bouncing perfectly off our 618 retracement here. Looking for that next extension. Obviously, we broke that 4-cent level, retested it as support. We've come up to that 5-cent level. Got rejected. Look at our hourly time frame here. We come all the way up pretty much perfectly to 5 cents, to almost the exact cent there, as you can see. Getting a bit of a rejection now. We might retest at 4.5 cents here and then break through. Obviously, we are searching for that all-time high now of around 5.5 cents. If we can break that 5-cent level, 5.5 cents is our next target, and then beyond that, looking really good. But overall, Verasity looking very bullish. Alts are looking very bullish in general right now. Potentially heading up into overbought territory. But for now, we're getting towards that level, but nowhere near there yet. And, in cryptocurrency, cryptos can stay overbought for a long time. Let me tell you, before they do come back down. As you can see here, we were overbought here. And look how much further we ran. We were overbought at 2.5 cents and we actually got to 5.5 cents before we finally rolled over with the market. So pretty clear that we can go a lot further on this recent pump. And we do think, if we break that 5.5 cent level as well, we've made that macro higher low. And then we're looking for that high again, aren't we? And I mean, if you believe in Elliott waves, you can see we've got a nice little extension here coming up above that all-time high to around 7 cents for that. Basically that ABC reversal off the bottom and continuation. So looking really good. We'll do short-term price predictions just to keep things nice and simple, nice and clean. If we roll over here, obviously you can see we've got a bunch of support. We've got that first level of support that we're going to be sweeping right now around 4.5 cents. The swing high here where we could come down, retest, break that 5-cent level, targeting that 5.5-cent level. If we roll further, we've got that 4-cent psychological support. And we've got the 0.78 coinciding with the 20 moving average as well at around 3.6 cents, where we could do something like this for one last sweep of the lows before continuation. But considering how bullish we're looking, most likely coming up towards that 5-cent level again after a little retracement. If we break that, obviously 5.5 cents is the next target. And if we break that and retest it, then obviously we're going to be absolutely game on, breaking into new all-time highs. Price discovery mode for Verasity, and our next target then would be 10 cents, which is psychological target, and the 127 here as well. So overall, Verasity looking really good. This chart is so bullish. Look how good this chart looks. Basically ready for that explosion to the upside. And I mean, if we do start to explode up, we do really think 50 cents to $1 for Verasity is quite likely in our opinion. A very, very strong project indeed. And if they get a any kind of fundamental news that's positive, we're probably going to be seeing this thing go into the stratosphere. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.